Welcome back to Ashlyn's Life Management classes. It is important, even at our age, to be able to wash and dry our own clothes. First, sort your dirty clothes into piles. Separate light and dark colored clothes. If you do not separate, your new colorful shirt might dye your white shorts tie-dye blue. Let the adults in your household know which clothes you are washing. Sometimes a special shirt or a dress might need to be hand washed or on a very delicate cycle of the wash. Put your clothes into the washer and then determine which washing fluid you will use. There is washing detergent to clean your clothes, bleach to get tough stains out of clothes or to make your clothes really, really white, and fabric softener to make your clothes super soft. Make sure you ask the adults in your household where to put your washing fluids and how much to use, as each machine is different and all detergent is different too. Turn the washing machine on and watch it magically clean your clothes. When the washing cycle is over, move your clothes to the dryer and select the right cycle. Some clothes can be air dried if you do not want them to shrink at all. I mostly set my dryer cycle to delicate because the temperature is room temperature. Colors in your clothes can fade in high heat. Next is putting your clothes where they go. Fold your clothes to go into drawers or hang them on hangers to go back in the closet. Check out my next video about how to fold your clothes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my Ashlyn's Life Management videos. Have a lovely day!